Hi guys, I'm Samantha Larson. I go by Sam, and I am the Director of Gemstones here at Stuller. I'm really excited to talk to you guys about the new Gemstones Experience on Stuller.com. The new Stuller.com experience helps you connect with Stuller's selection, quality, and helpful services for any gemstone need. The new Start page brings all of Stuller's products, services, and resources together in one page. The new experience helps you find, compare, and buy the right gemstone for any need. Reference visuals help you find the right quality and look for your project. Genuine gemstones can now be quickly compared with lab-created and imitation options. Gemstone information right on the page helps you educate and inspire your customers. So here's something special. New comparison tools help you quickly price out similar colors or different types. You can reference Stuller size ranges for every calibrated gemstone shape in this new guide. You can also use sort functions to refine your comparison. Intuitive menus help you define your specifications. Visuals of the exact gemstone help you narrow down your options. Click the image to see the exact gemstone in stunning 360-degree high-resolution video. The new comparison experience helps you and your clients compare multiple gemstones to find the perfect one. Something special? Advanced filters help you get the important details just right. New Shop by Shape and Shop by Color pages help you find exactly the right look at the right price. Color is now represented using more realistic hues on an intuitive color spectrum. Something special? You can even compare any type of graded gemstone together in this one area.